Last couple of days, in fact, have been quite magical because we've seen Samod at its best, but I've never seen Samod look this fantastic. Like, I've seen them get decked up. I've seen Samod get decked up for other weddings, and the minute I walked into the first courtyard, I was just blown away. Like, blown away is an understatement. There are people who are coming up to me and said that this is a fairy tale wedding. This is like a more like a Bollywood. Forget Bollywood. Like, it's the best wedding they've attended. And I have to give a very special shout out. I think this wedding, if you ask me the theme, it's Ghar Wali Shaadi. It's like, I'm almost choking up saying it, but it's Ghar Wali Shaadi. Everybody's come together.
This is Arushi and Sangram's Mehendi, day 2. Welcome to Samod Bagh.
What's important is, I think I am having such a good time, and like, everybody's coming up and saying, you know, what's nice to know is that you're having a good time. And I'm like, yeah, because like, everything is left for the planners to do. Like, they're, you know, killing it with the decor, they're killing it with the food, they're killing it with the management. So I mean, there's nothing that I at this point can add. I think last few days, yeah, I imagine my wedding, how I imagined a wedding, it's exactly like that.
Welcome to the tasting room.
Come on in.
Yeah,
come on in.
Come on in here.
Where'd you get that from? Oh, hello. We've got some guests here.
So what's the tasting room?
One of the top highlights of Batrane was the 5 to 7 p.m. tasting room, a one-of-a-kind interactive bar setup for pre-gaming. A flight represents a sample of 3 drinks and symbolizes the Batrane's long-distance journey.
All right. Hi, how you guys doing?
The only thing I'd like to tell you guys is that you don't just have the back of like all the people here and your in-laws. Right now, the 50,000 Robins are all your in-laws. So welcome to our family.
No, it is Ghar Wali Shaadi. Like, everyone's come together. Ooh. Da, da, da. I will come back. Yeah, so everybody's come together in such a great spirit. Like, we had people coming over every night. Oh, I can't do this. So yeah, it's Gharwali Shadi. Everyone has come together. Everyone's planned, and literally like it's not my wedding, it's our wedding. And everybody was like, "Are you nervous?" I'm like, "No, like there's literally nothing that I need to do at this point." Like we have people. Everyone at this wedding has been involved in this wedding in some shape or form. How can you? I mean, how many people can say that? Like you have my aunties making Vatna tubes from Bombay. And sending like 100 tubes just because she wanted to, or you have my friend taking tuxedo shaped boxes and putting pocket squares all the way in Bombay and then shipping them over to Delhi, or you had my friends who would take over the entire Sangeet. They would come every day without fail for the past 1 month just to either make sure my mom was doing okay, just to make sure that we're practicing our dances, just to make sure I'm okay, just to make sure I cry because my friend really wants me to cry. Just to make sure that we just have that whole shadi ka ghar ka feel, and that's the theme of the wedding. Sangram, we're going to be on a great ride together, and what we've decided is always to choose never to go into extreme positions. We always have to choose a middle ground because we know we want to be together, and that's been the thing since past 6 years that we've been together, and I'm sure that will continue for the entire lifetime.
It's been so incredible, this whole journey with Sangram. I know we've been so patient. Planning a wedding is not easy, guys. Planning several functions is not easy, but what was really happy to see is that Sangram was so patient and so like, yeah, you got it, you do it, it's completely okay. And
Good decision.
Good decision, for sure. A special thank you to Bharati Inc.
Oh yeah.
The planners, the girls who never stopped. These guys made sure that the party doesn't stop from the minute we got them on board to now. They have been absolutely amazing, and they've been so accommodative to all the quirks that I've thought of. Like middle of the night, I would wake up and message Seerat and be like, "Hey Seerat, can we do this?" And in the morning she'll be like, "Yes." Okay. And just the whole team, Shweta, Shikha, Fawad, everyone has been so incredibly supportive, and everyone loved the wedding because of you guys. So thank you so very much.